Alright, quick question. Have you ever told yourself, I'm just gonna make a small CNC project, and suddenly you're knee deep in aluminum chips, questioning your life decisions? Yeah, same. So today we're breaking down NestWorks C500 versus Carvera, two desktop CNC machines that promise industrial brains in a compact body. I've spent serious time digging into both, and if you're searching for the right one, stay till the end because one of these is clearly built for power and the other is built for convenience. Let's start with the NestWorks C500. This thing doesn't whisper, it growls. An 800 watt spindle pushing 8000 RPM, that's not hobby level. That's I eat hardened steel for breakfast energy. It handles steel, titanium alloys, and thick materials without flinching. Add closed loop NEMA 23 motors running up to 5000 mm per minute and you're getting speed with stability, not shaky cuts. Now here's what impressed me the most. 0.02 mm accuracy. That's serious precision. If you're prototyping PCBs or machining tight tolerance parts, that level of control reduces waste and keeps results consistent. And at 210 pounds with ball screws and linear guides, vibration is minimized. It feels like a mini industrial shop sitting on your desk. Now let's talk about Carvera. Carvera's personality is different. It's a smart assistant of CNC machines. Auto tool changer, auto probe, built-in vacuum, even laser engraving support. It's designed to feel closer to 3D printing, meaning less manual setup, fewer headaches. For beginners or makers who want automation baked in, this is incredibly attractive. Material-wise, Carvera handles metals like aluminum, brass, copper, and even light-duty stainless and titanium. It's capable but not built as aggressively as the C500 for heavy steelwork. So here's the honest breakdown. If you're a developer, engineer, or serious maker who wants industrial power, heavy-duty machining, and ultra-tight precision, the C500 feels like a desktop factory. If you want smart automation, ease of use, and a smoother learning curve, Carvera feels friendlier and more workflow focused. Power versus convenience, muscle versus automation. Now the real question is, are you building like a hobbyist or thinking like a manufacturer? Let me know what you choose. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.